Hey all, this is Team Wolfpack from the Udacity self-driving car course. We are just finalizing our Capstone project and we thought we'd do a video to show off our work and some of the visualization tools that we used. Our members are Eric, our fearless leader, Elena, Sergey, Mihir, and myself, William. So what you see here on the right is the simulator for this Capstone project, and we've got some visualization stuff on the left here. I'm gonna start the car, set it into auto mode. So what you see here on the left is the RVs tool that comes with ROS. You've got that arrow here. We don't have a model of the car, so we just use the big fat arrow to represent the car. If you zoom out a little bit, you can see that we've got the final course or the entire course mapped out in RVs, so you can always see where the car is. If you zoom in a little bit, this pink line here, that's the planned path that the car is supposed to take, given consideration on where the car is. Also, we've used the ground truth data here to highlight where on the map the traffic lights are. So you can always, just based on RVs, you can see what's going on here. It's a little bit bare at the moment, but I think as the course matures and we start getting obstacles as part of this project, what you'll see, I think it will be a lot easier to visualize what your car is actually seeing. So we're just approaching the traffic light here, and you can see that the lights will synchronize to what's happening in the simulator. Hopefully when it changes green you will see that happen. There you go. Right, so one of the other tools that we actually used is RQT. What we've got here is a whole bunch of tools, I guess. We're just monitoring our steering. The blue line is the steering of the car, and the red line is the pedal. So it's just looking at how hard we are pressing on the pedal. So this sort of helps to tune the PIDs when we're doing our tuning. I've also got here the brake. So the brake is, we're using the torque instead of a percentage. So this will measure torque all the way up to the maximum torque allowable based on the configurations. What we have here on the lower right is the dynamic reconfigure feature of ROS. So what this really made the PID tuning a little bit easier for us, so we can pretty much change this thing on the fly and we can see how the car behaves. So it's essentially manual twiddling. So it just takes a little bit of time, but given enough attempts, we sort of arrived at a certain level of appropriate PID levels. So that's it for now. We'll do another video with the car running at a much faster speed.